Kelowna Creates, developing a new generation of artists. Funding from the KEG Community Grant would go towards supporting artists in residences programs in local schools, producing the new Global Children's Festival, and creating a free iPhone app to feature and promote Kelowna-created art, music, video, and other new media. A majority of the funding would be used for the Artist in Residence program. This unique program takes various professional artists from the community, actors, painters, musicians, and dancers, and connects them with local students. The artists work together to create and share their art in a classroom setting. Students gain first-hand knowledge and experience of various art forms directly from artists. They'll then work with the artists to create their own art. This grant would cover all the costs associated with over 100 classroom sessions in the 2011-2012 school year. Supporting this program would dramatically increase the amount of unique art created by the students in our community and inspire confidence in a new generation of artists. The Global Music Festival is an annual event in Kelowna that brings together and cross-promotes local artists, musicians, and community groups. In 2011, it raised $1,500 for a local charity. We would use this funding to expand this event and to add to the Global Children's Festival. The new Global Children's Festival would feature the art, songs, dance, and drama productions created through the Artist in Residence program. This event would be hosted in February 2012 in Kelowna's Cultural District. In order to add a lasting legacy from the grant, we will also create a free app that will highlight our creative community. The app would feature locally created podcasts, songs, YouTube videos, and other forms of new media art. Thanks for supporting this application, which is aimed at building up a new generation of artists in Kelowna. Please bookmark this page, come back, and vote daily.